Manjula's daughter, Vijay Kumar's daughter, standing here, representing them both. That is how I am taking the stage, because rightfully, Vadukla, they should have stood here. But and fortunately for me, I have taken the center stage. And thank you to Raju Garu, such an emotional moment, because ఇప్పుడే దేవి వర్క్ చేసినట్టు గుర్తుంది. ఇన్నేళ్ళు అయిందా అని అంటే ఇప్పుడే కదా అంటే we still believe like that because people are still coming in Andhra especially. Even yesterday I was in Charminar and people are just coming Devi event కదా. So actually దేవితో ఆగిపోయాను నేను తెలుగులో. So till now that Devi అని they recognize me and it's so proud. And after that I worked with Raju Garu, but ఈ సినిమా జోవికాని ఇంట్రడ్యూస్ చేయడానికి చెప్పారు అంతే. There is nothing else that I could say. I knew it was God's plan and it was through MS Raju that Jovika had to be introduced for the first time in cinema. Not Telugulo, Tamilo kuda, because she went to Big Boss and I am very famous in Tamil. So offers వచ్చాయి కానీ the first project that I accepted and she got this opportunity of a beautiful character. Actually, kontamandi might think a very bold decision and as a mother I have to tell you, because any mother who's in the industry, first heroine ga oka glamour cinema, oka manchi love story, alanti oka character where there will be songs, somewhere to expose as a heroine, get that status. But in this, I very proudly accept that I took a very bold decision when Raju Garu told me only one thing, that I am going. It is not a teaser, and they will say in Tamil, "Oru paana sothukku oru soru oru nettu da padam." We will see only that one rice. This is it. I can just see what an extravagant, mesmerizing blockbuster hit, bigger than Devi, is what it is. And in such a very short time. So I'm so proud. I could see actually a villain actor in Jovita, which I don't think every heroine can pull it off. Very few female actors in the industry today